Hello dear students, today we are going to learn exercise 1.1, sixth problem. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. Before entering the problem, you have to recall the definition of descriptive form. The definition of descriptive form is described by words. The descriptive form is described by words. The first subdivision P is equal to open curly bracket January, June, July, close the curly bracket. If you observe the months, these are the English months, also starting with the letter J. Yes, we can write the descriptive form like P is equal to the set of English months starting with letter J. Next, second one, Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. See, if you observe the numbers, these are the prime numbers. There are many prime numbers, but here only few prime numbers are there. So first we can list out the all prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, etc. But here we need only 7 to 29. So here given is 7 to 29. So you have to write the statement as Q is equal to the set of prime numbers, between 5 and 31. 5 and 31, because here up to 7 to 29 only there. So we have to write the set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. Next, R is equal to open curly bracket x such that x belongs to natural numbers, x is less than 5. Already you know the natural numbers. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. The natural number starts from 1, but here condition is x is less than 5. X is a natural number. So the descriptive form of R is equal to the set of natural numbers less than 5. The set of natural numbers less than 5. Next, fourth one, S is equal to open curly bracket x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. S is equal to open curly bracket x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. So you have to write the set as descriptive form. S is equal to the set of English consonants. This is the descriptive form of the given set. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood the problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask through the WhatsApp. Thank you, students.